And as we walk upstairs, I just want to remind all of you that are watching with us that we also have created this beautiful chest.
Custom chest.
With storage for blankets, pillows, you name it. And seating as well. We are always thinking of that. Come on upstairs. This is exciting because the clock is set on 5 o'clock. It is 5 o'clock.
Somewhere.
Somewhere.
Yes.
Definitely here. We created a pulley for our clients so that it operates from up there. So if somebody wants to shoot up a bottle of wine, there you go.
Here we go. Wine delivery. Just like that.
I want to pay special attention to this beautiful wardrobe that we created. This is custom wood, farm style, and your mirror, of course, is right here.
And you'll notice this had to be custom with all of the small spaces and tight corners. Fits perfectly before the window begins. We have it designed with a hanging rod for all of your hanging clothes as well as 2 cubbies.
Pay attention to our decor, farmhouse style birds. Of course, every farm needs hanging birds, right? We love what we did here with the repurposed wood, if you've noticed, and the chandelier above the bed.
Yes. So we have this beautiful repurposed barn wood from a local barn in Florida, actually, and we are complementing it with the backsplash in the kitchen that we will show you in a minute as well.
We created these beautiful pillows, custom pillows with the little birds on it. Remember, we wanted it to be a comfortable, inviting place. We wanted our clients, guests to feel comfortable here. So nice bedding that, and then
easy washable.
Easy washable, and then we made a reversible runner. And if you notice from this view here, look at the beautiful fan. Now
that is a 52-inch fan.
That will cool down this whole area. You can see the beautiful piece of art that we put above the door that is an old world map. I wanted to talk about the window treatments. The shutters keep the sun out. The side panels are just side panels. They're not really functional, other than the function is to soften the room. We always like to use a light sheer fabric. Of course, we have a beautiful antique chair that was refinished for our clients. Notice the small scale nightstands.
Yes, these are actually creative designing. These are chair-side tables that we repurposed as nightstands because they needed to be so quaint to fit the scale of this room, with more storage with a door and a drawer on each one.
Of course, we used an iron headboard, that old style, farm style headboard. We just love the idea of how we did the cording here in the staircase, which gives it an updated look.
Yes, nice modern element, keeps it nice and airy for a small space.
And of course, we've been doing flooring for 32 years, and I wanted you to pay special attention to how we did the detail here. We did a beautiful dark mahogany wood for the staircase and the steps, enhanced with each flat part of the steps to be the natural wood that we have here in the rest of the unit.
And part of the functionality of this unit is that these are actually the wood look tile. So it gives you that beautiful farmhouse flavor, but if your guests spill their wine, not to worry, because it's actually a ceramic tile.
And there is a pool right outside. We always do tile when we're so close to a pool.
Absolutely.
Stay tuned for the next episode of Enhance the Space, brought to you by creative design team in sunny Clearwater, Florida. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. And remember, every space deserves to feel good inside.
This is your chance to join us for an exclusive 4-hour interior design workshop live on site at our client's stunning Sand Key penthouse. This interactive class includes expert tips, design inspiration, and a Q&A lunch. A portion of the proceeds supports Stop the Movement, a foundation working to end human trafficking in Tampa Bay. Space is limited, so scan the QR code to reserve your seat today.